Without thinking, just type a comment below this video. Are you person A or person B? Because if every winter morning feels like déjà vu, same sweaters, same jeans, same coat, this video will feel like a breath of fresh air. You'll see how to wear a sweater on your shoulders, beautiful scarf outfits, and simple ways to make details stand out in neutral looks. I'll walk you through 20 common winter mistakes and show you how to make sure you're not making them. And stay with me until the end, because I'll share my emergency winter outfit formula, the one that always works. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Wearing oversized coats without balance. Oversized coats are everywhere right now and they can look amazing. But when there's no structure underneath, they can easily hide your shape and make the outfit feel bulky. To keep it modern and flattering, balance one oversized piece with something fitted, like slim trousers or a defined shoulder line. Add texture contrast, a soft scarf, a leather bag, sleek boots. Remember this rule. Balance volume with definition. That's what keeps an oversized coat chic instead of overwhelming. Before we go on, let's talk about something important. Every country, every city really has its own kind of winter. For some of you, it's that perfect style season. Open coats, visible sweaters, beautiful scarves dancing in the wind. For others, it's simply survival mode, when you think less about layering beautifully and more about running from the door to the car. And that's completely fine. If your winters are mild or you mostly drive, you can play with lighter layers and keep that elegant movement. But if you're in true cold, where the air itself bites, here's the trick. Wear a merino wool or synthetic thermal base layer under your outfit. It's invisible, it traps warmth, and it lets you enjoy your coat as style, not armor. I'll leave some links to good, warm basics in the description below, because elegance isn't about pretending you're not cold, it's about finding balance between beauty and comfort. Mistake number 2, mixing too many random colors. It's easy to grab whatever feels warm, but too many unrelated shades can make a look feel scattered. Try tonal layers instead. Soft olive on olive, beige on cream. Mixing similar tones with different textures feels thoughtful, luxurious, and calm. Matching tones from head to toe visually elongates your shape and gives that quiet confidence we all love. Mistake number 3, living in jeans only. We all love jeans, but wearing them every single day can make winter style feel repetitive. A knit skirt set is a perfect alternative. Cozy, soft, and still polished. Play with contrast. A chunky knit with sleek boots, or a structured coat. It's an easy switch that keeps your wardrobe feeling alive again. Stay with me. After the next look, I'll share one trick that instantly makes any outfit feel more expensive, even if nothing in it is designer. Mistake number 4, avoiding prints entirely. Minimalism dominates fashion right now, but removing all prints can flatten your style. A single pattern piece, plaid, houndstooth, even a soft leopard adds personality and movement. Cinch the waist with a belt, keep accessories neutral and let the print do the work. It's not about loud prints, it's about quiet character. As promised, let's talk about one unexpected way to wear a sweater this season. Not on your body, but around your shoulders. At some point, fashion lovers quietly decided that classic scarves weren't enough. And so, the sweater became the new accessory. You'll see it casually, draped over the shoulders, or softly tied around the neck, adding color, texture, and that sense of relaxed sophistication we all love. Is it the warmest choice on a windy day? Probably not. But when it comes to style, it's one of those small details that makes your outfit look instantly intentional. as if every piece was chosen with care. Mistake number 5. Wearing neutrals that fall flat. Neutrals are timeless, but when every texture feels the same, they can wash you out. Combine different materials, wool with silk, leather with cashmere, to add dimension. It's not about adding color, it's about adding depth. That's what makes neutrals look rich, not tired. Mistake number 6, treating sweater and jeans as the whole look. The sweater and jeans combo is classic, but it needs intention. Add heeled boots, a slim belt, or one polished accessory. Simple but refined. Even the most basic outfit deserves a tiny upgrade that says, I thought about this. Let's be honest, not every puffer jacket does us favors. Many are big, boxy, and completely hide the shape. But it doesn't have to be that way. A well-cut puffer, like this one, keeps the warmth and the elegance. Structured shoulders, a defined waist, deep tones like burgundy or chocolate. That's what makes it feel refined instead of bulky. It's practical but still feminine, proof that comfort and elegance can easily coexist. Mistake number 7, forgetting proportion in long layers. Wearing long over long can stretch your silhouette downward. Try a midi knit dress with a long coat in a similar tone. It creates vertical harmony, not drag. Soft, continuous lines always flatter. Mistake number 8, being afraid of white in winter. White isn't impractical, it's powerful. A pair of white trousers and a warm knit top can brighten your whole face. Add structured accessories for polish, and you'll never feel washed out again. As promised, here are a few beautiful ways to wear a scarf this winter. I recently came across a lovely video where a woman showed how scarves can completely change a winter look, even when the weather seems impossible. Because let's be honest, once the cold sets in, everything gets harder. We want to stay warm, but still look stylish. And that's where the real challenge begins. Winter can feel limiting. Big coats, boots, hats, they hide the silhouette, the little details we usually love. Sometimes it feels like fashion gets buried under layers of wool and thermal tops. But maybe that's the moment where real style begins, when you start combining textures, balancing layers, playing with proportions. It's no longer just about getting dressed, it's about creating. Mistake number 9, combining too many contrasts. When shapes, colors, and fabrics all compete, the outfit loses harmony. Monochrome dressing, keeping everything in one color family instantly calms it down. A long line coat, thin turtleneck, and midi skirt in one tone, cohesive, timeless, confident. Mistake number 10, wearing only chunky knits. Chunky knits are cozy, but too much bulk can age the silhouette. A matching knit set looks fresh when paired with structured loafers or minimalist jewelry. Think soft and defined, not soft and shapeless. Mistake number 11, dressing too stiff. All structure, no softness, can feel dated. Mix a tailored coat with relaxed jeans and a cozy knit. Approachable, yet chic. That blend of ease and polish is the essence of modern elegance. Mistake number 12, ignoring the power of a sweater dress. A sweater dress is one of winter's best kept secrets. Warm, easy, elongating. Add knee-high boots and delicate jewelry, and you're done. It's the simplest way to look like you tried, even when you didn't. Let's talk about details, the quiet power of accessories. Accessories are often the smallest pieces, yet they hold the most influence. To make an outfit feel complete, think in threes, maybe earrings, a belt, and a bag. Create contrast. Pair, simple fabrics with textured accessories, a smooth wool coat with a leather belt, or a silk blouse with a chunky necklace. And always keep one focal point, let one piece speak and the others whisper. Even a simple belt can redefine your shape and turn something ordinary into something beautifully intentional. Did you know the humble brooch has roots that reach back to the Bronze Age? It began as a simple clasp, but by the Victorian era, it became a symbol of love, memory, and taste, and now it's quietly returning. One bold brooch on a coat lapel or a cluster of tiny pins on a sweater. That little sparkle of character instantly makes any look feel unique and refined. Mistake number 13. Forgetting to add energy with color. A touch of color, a bag, tights, or a scarf can lift the entire look. Winter doesn't have to mean dull. A small pop brings life back to neutrals. Mistake number 14. Losing playfulness. Fun details aren't reserved for the young. Wool tights with peep-toe heels or retro-inspired earrings can add personality without going overboard. It's about confidence, not costume. Mistake number 15. Ignoring retro shapes that flatter. Stirrup leggings are back and surprisingly elegant. Pair them with slingbacks or ankle boots for that sleek, elongated line. A quiet nod to the past, styled for today. Mistake number 16. Wearing only one texture. When every fabric is smooth, the look falls flat. Add a suede jacket with a flowing skirt. The mix of soft and structured adds instant interest. It's not more clothing, it's smarter contrasts. Remember the time when a bag didn't feel complete without pom-poms, charms, and keychains? That era of playful maximalism is slowly fading. This season, mood is quieter, it's about form, texture, and craftsmanship. Let the shape of the bag speak for itself, the grain of the leather, the calm confidence of simplicity. A single, well-made piece feels far more luxurious than a dozen dangling trinkets. It's the same shift we see everywhere: less noise, more substance. And speaking of timeless bags, have you noticed how often the class bag keeps appearing? That elegant click has history. Once a symbol of old-world glamour, it's been reimagined again and again for modern wardrobes. Quietly, it's become a runway constant. Proof that true design never really disappears. Don't chase trends. Refine your formulas. The most stylish women aren't reinventing themselves every season. They're repeating what works with quiet confidence. Mistake number 17. Overcomplicating layering. More isn't better, it's about intention. A thin jumper, a scarf, clean lines. Warmth doesn't require bulk. Elegance doesn't require effort. Mistake number 18. Treating scarves as an afterthought. A scarf isn't just an accessory, it's a frame for your face. Tuck a silk scarf under your coat collar or tie it loosely at the neck. It softens, refines, completes. Mistake number 19. Ignoring classic prints. Argyle, stripes, houndstooth, these never truly leave. Style an argyle cardigan with denim or tailored trousers. It feels nostalgic but current, exactly what timeless dressing should be. As promised, this is my emergency formula. A wool double-breasted coat, a minimalist bag inspired by the row, leather gloves, and a monochrome palette in warm autumn shades. All links are listed below. Mistake number 20. Forgetting simplicity is power. The most elegant women know when to stop. A clean neutral base, one refined accessory, and calm colors, that's often all it takes. Warmth, grace, balance, that's real winter elegance. The truth is, winter fashion doesn't age us. It's how we combine shapes, tones, and textures that matters. Elegance isn't about perfection, it's about balance, like a river flowing beneath the ice. Calm, graceful, quietly strong. Tell me, which outfit felt most you today? And before you go, watch next. Winter jeans trends, or watch this before buying anything new.